Hashtag intro 070. One soft and chewy, one thin and crispy. Why do some cookies come out soft and chewy while others turn out crispy and flat? Is it the butter, the sugar, the baking soda? Today we're diving into the science behind perfect cookies in this episode of Cookie Science Explained. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how each ingredient affects your cookies and how to bake the perfect batch every single time. Show finished cookies close up. Let's get baking. Hashtag Step 1 Understanding Flour 0:30 to 1 hour. Host, the first ingredient we'll talk about is flour. Flour provides structure for your cookies. Think of it as the framework that holds everything together. Hashtag Quick Experiment. Host, let's compare two batches. Batch A, less flour. Batch B, more flour. Host, when you use less flour, cookies spread more and become thinner. When you use more flour, cookies become thicker and cakier. Pro tip, host, for chewy cookies, use the amount specified in the recipe and measure carefully. Too much flour is one of the most common baking mistakes. Let's test step 2, the butter effect. 2:30, show melted butter and softened butter side by side. Host, next up is butter. Butter affects both flavor and texture. Experiment. Let's test softened butter versus melted butter. Show dough preparation. Melted butter creates denser, chewier cookies because it allows the dough to spread more during baking. Softened butter traps air when mixed with sugar, creating lighter and fluffier cookies. Pro tip, if you're aiming for bakery-style chewy cookies, melted butter is often your best friend. Step 3. Brown sugar versus white sugar. 3:30 to 5 o'clock. Display both sugars. Host, this is where cookie magic happens. White sugar creates crispier cookies, encourages spreading. Brown sugar contains molasses, adds moisture, creates chewy texture. Show comparison cookies. Notice how the brown sugar cookie looks thicker and softer? That's because brown sugar retains more moisture during baking. For the perfect balance, many bakers use a combination of both sugars. Step 4. Baking soda versus baking powder, 5 o'clock to 6:30. Host, many people confuse these two ingredients, but they work differently. Baking soda helps cookies spread, creates browning, produces chewy texture. Baking powder adds lift, creates softer, puffier cookies. Experiment. Watch what happens when we use each one separately. Show side-by-side results. The baking soda cookies spread wider, while the baking powder cookies rise higher. Step 5. Why chilling dough matters, 6:30 to 7:30. Host, here's a secret many professional bakers use. Chilling the dough. What happens? Butter solidifies, flour absorbs moisture, flavors develop. Show before and after comparison. Notice how the chilled dough cookie spreads less and develops a richer flavor. Pro tip, even 30 minutes in the fridge can dramatically improve your cookies. Step 6, the perfect cookie formula, 7:30 to 8:30. Host, let's put everything together. For soft and chewy cookies, more brown sugar, melted butter, slightly underbake, chilled dough before baking. For crispy cookies, more white sugar, less chilling time, bake slightly longer. Outro, 8:30 to 9 o'clock. Host holding finished cookies. And that's the science behind perfect cookies. Now you know how flour, butter, sugar, baking soda, and chilling time affect the final result. If you enjoyed this episode of Cookie Science Explained, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Do you prefer your cookies chewy or crispy? Take a bite of cookie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next baking experiment. End screen. Subscribe for more Cookie Science Explained videos.